And then the lightning round's over. Are you ready? Ski daddy. Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Edomar in New Jersey. Edomar.
Hi, Jim.
Hi. Go ahead. What stock?
I love your show.
Oh, thank you.
I want to ask your opinion about the Delta Airlines stock.
I don't like the airlines here. I just think that the group is being pulled down and that they're just not the right place to be at this very moment. When Delta yields more than 3%, which is a couple of points from here, we can take a look at it again. Why don't we go to Tom in Florida? Tom.
Hey, Jim. Many booyahs from the family to yours.
Booyah. Thank you.
About AMAG, the FDA approved Vyleesi for the condition of HSDD in women. What's your take on this, Jim? Is it
a good spec? It's a good spec. And I looked at it before when we did my Biotech handbook at thestreet.com. I think it's a good spec. Yeah, look, these are all a diagnosis of cancer, cardiovascular. You just own them and you just say to yourself, okay, I may lose money in this, but there's always a chance for a home run. Let's go to Charlie in Florida. Charlie.
Booyah, Dr. Cramer.
Booyah.
My stock is OKTA.
Oh, Okta. Okay, somebody was giving me a hard time on Twitter saying, hey, what do I do now? I mean, it had a couple of bad days. Here's the thing. I know that there's been a lot of insider selling by Todd McKinnon, who's the CEO. I think he's terrific. But you know what? These are the kinds of stocks that are coming in here. You can wait. You do not need to step up the plate to buy Okta right here. Dave in Illinois. Dave.
Dr. Cramer.
Dave.
Well, now, got any San Marzano or German Johnsons growing this year?
German Johnsons, they look good, frankly. They just are coming in. They're a week later than the other tomatoes, to be honest. But they look so good, and I had one with a sandwich this weekend. It's very succulent. Thank you for asking.
Sounds good. It's a cloud-based software as a service platform. It's not SurveyPrimate. It's SurveyMonkey, SVMK.
SurveyMonkey, Dave, and thank you for the kind compliments about my garden. SurveyMonkey is actually a very good company. They had a very strong quarter. Is there a hurry to buy it right here? There's no hurry to buy anything, but the company's doing quite well. Let's leave it at that. Let's go to Jim in Arizona, please. Jim.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. Thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
Thank you. I've recently retired, and I've converted all of my stock holdings to an income-based portfolio. I'm looking to add IPG, Interpublic Group of Companies. Is this a safe investment?
Yeah, look, it yields 4.5. I happen to think that Roth is very good. I wish he'd come back on the show. I think Roth's doing a good job. And I think that you're in good hands with that one. The stock is down a lot, but it only sells at 11 times earnings. Let's go to Damien in New York. Damien.
Hi, Mr. Cramer. I'm 31. I've been investing for 3 months. And Revolve, my girlfriend swears by it. The earnings report this past Thursday I thought was really good. Sounds like an extremely efficiently run business. But the stock is down 16% since then. Is it a buy?
Damien, I am going to say yes to that. I thought it was a terrific quarter. I mean, terrific. I think people got it wrong. I think you're right. And I think it's a good stock buy. Don't buy all at once, though. Let's go to Michael in Texas. Michael.
Hey, Jim. It's good to hear you.
Thank you.
We got the medical property trust. I've liked them at 14 or 18, but I'm concerned that they overspent on acquisitions.
I think they did. I think you're absolutely right. Our viewers are so smart. And MPW, not for me. I like Ventas. We're going to stick with conservative. We're going to stick with Deb Kafara. One more. Let's go to Thomas in Maine. Thomas.
Hey, Jim.
Thomas. Go ahead.
Jim, can you hear me?
Yeah, you sound great.
Okay. Hey, thanks for taking my call.
Of course.
I wanted to ask you about Planet Fitness. I've been a member there for 6 years, and I've owned the stock for a year, and they just had what looked like a pretty good quarter, but the stock dropped.
No, but you can't take your cue from the quarter because this is a very bad market right now. Planet Fitness did have a good quarter. I wouldn't buy it right here. Let it come in. It's coming down like the rest of them. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.